Hey everybody, I am Sally Shuford, your hometown girl and realtor right here in gorgeous Augusta, Georgia. Today, I'm coming to you from a listing that is mine, and I'm so excited to bring you this home to view and possibly make your own. This home is in Somerville Terrace. This is a neighborhood that is directly east of Somerville. So Somerville is a historic property or historic neighborhood in the Augusta area, and it ends on Hurd Avenue, on the west side of Hurd Avenue. And from the east side of Hurd Avenue to about Baker Street or Baker Avenue or a little further down is Somerville Terrace. So you've got all the charm, obviously, all the charm and beauty of old homes without the Somerville price tag. And this specific home I am calling the cutest dang house on the street because it is so cute and so perfect. I've lived in this neighborhood for almost 9 years now, and this has always been a favorite. So when the owners asked me, I'm gonna move the camera a little, when the owners asked me if I wanted to sell it for them, I jumped at the opportunity. And so I just wanna take you inside and come and look at it. Before we head inside, I just wanted to point out a couple of things to you that we're looking at here. So you've got a beautiful old tree. I mean, this neighborhood was developed in the early 1900s. So we've got mature landscaping here, beautiful, some beautiful shrubbery, and this curved archway to the front porch it's a motif that's carried throughout the house. And so you'll get to see that on the interior. I love how this front porch has part of it that's covered, and then the part over here, right there, is that's a little uncovered portion, so you can sit there and enjoy the breeze and enjoy the sunshine, or sit under the covered portion where the arch is. I'm gonna show you the deck too. So let's see if I can. So here's where I was just standing, and I'm going to show you where I am now. There is off-street parking at this home in this driveway, and then right where that wooden fencing is, that's a deck, and it's an amazing deck, and I'll show you more about it later on the video. Walking in the front door, we come straight into the living room with the original fireplace, curved archway into the dining room, picture molding, beautiful molding around the doors, also around the windows, which there are plenty of in here. So you get lots of bright natural light. And then the fireplace with what I'm thinking is the original screen that was put on the home when it was built. Here's the living room from the archway. So I'm currently standing in the dining room. This home has gleaming hardwood floors throughout. And this is a dining room. You've got a fireplace in here, also picture molding, same lovely screen, some built-in shelving. Lots more natural light and charm for days. From the dining room, we walk straight into the kitchen. My three favorite things about this kitchen are that the archway carries through into the kitchen, that lovely 6-burner gas stove, and the solid surface countertops. Through those saloon doors in the archway, you've got a really nice period accent, which is this butler's pantry, and we've got washer and dryer and some storage space as well. Bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2 with the back side of the dining room fireplace. From bedroom number 2, we come into this room, which is also off of the kitchen, which is technically called a third bedroom. You could also use it as a flex space. Love all these windows. The bathroom with ceramic tile. Here's that deck. This backyard is party ready with a fire pit, cute little walkway, brick patio, just enough lawn, fenced yard,
If you
and a
like
storage
this
shed.
neighborhood,
Or you like this home, maybe you just like me, I would love to talk to you. Give me a call and I am happy to help you out. Hope you have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching.